car won't start? Don't panic. Today, I'll walk you through 5 common reasons why your car may not be starting, and how to fix them yourself. Let's get started. First up, the most common issue, a dead battery. If you turn the key and hear clicking or nothing at all, chances are your battery is the culprit. To fix this, use jumper cables or a portable jump starter. Connect the red cable to the positive terminal and the black cable to the negative. Give it a few minutes to charge, then try starting your car. Next, a bad starter motor. If your lights turn on but your engine won't crank, your starter may be to blame. Try tapping the starter motor gently with a wrench while someone turns the key. This can sometimes help the motor engage temporarily so you can get moving. A clogged fuel filter or a failing fuel pump can also stop your car from starting. Listen for a faint buzzing noise near the gas tank. No sound could mean a bad pump. Check your fuel pump relay first. Swapping it with a working one can help diagnose the issue before replacing the pump itself. If your car's lights flicker or power cuts off unexpectedly, your ignition switch may be failing. Try wiggling the key slightly while turning it. This can sometimes bypass worn-out contacts inside the switch. If this works, you'll likely need a replacement soon. Lastly, a blown fuse or relay could be the hidden culprit. If certain electronics fail along with the engine not starting, check your fuse box. Pull out the suspected fuse and inspect it. If the wire inside is broken, replace it with one of the same amperage. And that's it. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix your car's starting issues without expensive repairs. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more easy DIY car fixes. Have a question? Drop it in the comments below and I'll be happy to help.